Place Bob. Oh, come on. System running on low. Anyway, who replaced Bob Barker as the host of The Price is Right? Who replaced Bob Barker as the host of The Price is Right? And before I give you the correct answer, I will give you four options, and then you try to guess which one from these four options is the correct answer for the question. Very well. Now, here is the list of the option. The first option is Drew Carey. The second option is Adam Sandler. The third option is Drew Barrymore, and the last option is Pat Sajak. So, from these four options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? Well, now let me tell you what is the answer for the question. The answer for the question is Drew Carey. Cool. So that's the answer for the question, Drew Carey. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friends, just go ahead, click the share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye.